Get ready to experience the bubbly magic of our natural elderflower soda. Join us as we unlock the natural fizziness and delicate flavours of elderflower in this delightful lemonade. Let's head out to start with to pick some fresh elderflower heads. We want to remove as much of the green leaf as possible whilst we do this. To start, to make our lemonade, we're going to pour 800 ml of cold water into a jug. This will serve as a base of our soda, so purified water is ideal. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons, of white sugar into the water, giving the soda a slight sweetness, but also giving the fermentation something to chew on and eat through. Now we'll squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the mixture, providing a slight citrusy tang. Soda. For the fermentation part, what we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle a tiny pinch of champagne yeast into this jug. This will kickstart the natural carbonation process and the fermentation, transforming what might be a flat lemonade into something fizzy and delightful. We're going to carefully pour the liquid mixture into a plastic bottle, ensuring to leave a little bit of headspace at the top for carbonation and allowing the flavours to develop. So once we've got it bottled, we're going to add about 2 to 4 elderflower heads, depending on the size of them, making sure to remove any leaves and stems from these. We just want the flowers, really. These fragrant blooms will infuse in the soda over time and make it a really nice, subtle flavour. Next, we're going to quickly add the lid and we'll give the bottle a really vigorous shake. What this will do is it'll start to mix the elderflower through the water, allowing the flavour to come through, but it's also going to mix all of that yeast and start to activate it with a sugary liquid. And then we're going to simply place the bottle on the side at home, ideally somewhere kind of room temperature, possibly warm, depending on how you want it to ferment. And we're going to leave that for 3 days. And what's going to happen during those 3 days, the yeast that's present in there will start to consume the sugar we've added. And as part of that, it'll start to produce carbon dioxide, which is the carbonation within this. But because we've got the lid on it, that carbon dioxide can't escape. What it's going to do is going to make our liquid really nice and bubbly. So after 3 days, our homemade elderflower soda is now fizzy. We'll be able to see that the bottle's got really tight and it's ready to go. We'll open the bottle slowly to make sure to release any excess carbonation, and it might be that fizzy that it overflows a little bit, so we want to do this over a sink ideally. Pour it into a glass and enjoy. You can make cocktails out of it, you can drink it straight off, and ultimately what we've created here is a natural lemonade. At home, we can do it with loads of stuff, but in this video, we've done it with elderflower. You could, if you wanted to, remove the champagne yeast and use the natural yeast that's already present on the flowers. For this, I would add body temperature liquid. So I'd heat the liquid up to about 30 degrees and add it in. And all that'll happen is it take a little bit longer, maybe 5-6 days to ferment. Completely up to you, but enjoy elderflower soda.